everyone, it's Jaylyn from Jaylyn Cooking, and today we're going to be making Portuguese bean soup. It's a really good soup, and it'll have a special ingredient that I'm going to add at the end. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut an onion. And we're going to go ahead and cut the way we normally cut it. So I'm going to grab a small knife. And I'm using a sweet onion. Alright, and then we're gonna be using our crock pot today. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put the onion in the crock pot. And then I have some ham left over from Easter dinner. And we're gonna chop that up. And pretty, not too thin, but and that was a piece of fat that I just threw away. So, all right, and then we're gonna take some mixed vegetables. And some beans. Approximately about 2 cans of beans. I did home make these beans. I soaked them overnight, and then I boiled them until they were done. It came out to about 2 cans or 2 cups of beans. And then 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And 2 cups of chicken stock. And stir it up a little bit. I am going to add a little bit of water. There we go. And then I'm going to take a tablespoon of chopped onion. And a tablespoon of garlic. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and use 2 tablespoons because garlic. And then pepper. Oh, about a teaspoon of pepper. Salt. right, there we go. And then mix it up. Put it in. Then we're put it on high. There we go. We're going to set it for 3 hours. And when we come back in 3 hours, I'm going to put in a special super secret ingredient that is really good. Okay guys, it's been about 3 hours and I'm going to put in the secret ingredient now. And it is Silva's Portuguese sausage linguiça, the best sausage in the world. So I'm going to cut it up and add it to the crock pot and then let it cook for another 45 minutes. So this is one of my family's favorite types of sausage. And this is what will give the taste of the Portuguese bean soup, its taste. It's very flavorful sausage. And you can find it in the hot dog section of the grocery store. Alright. Oh yeah, it smells really good. Alrighty. And the reason why I am putting this in later instead of at the beginning is because it cooks, because it's already cooked. And if you let it cook for a really long time, then it takes all the flavor of the linguiça out. Alrighty. Alright, another half hour and it'll be ready, and we'll come back and show you the end result. Okay guys, now we're back and it's all completed, so now we're gonna dish it up in our bowl here and see how it looks. Smells good. Alright, and as you can see with the sausage, it made it into a red broth here. And the reason why I put the sausage, I don't know if I mentioned before, the reason why I put the broth in, or sorry, not the broth, but the linguiça in after it was cooked, because if you put it in too long, then it loses the flavor of the linguiça, and I really like the flavor. I got my spoon, and let's see. It's good. Could use a little salt, but besides that, it's very hot and very good. So thank you again for tuning in to Jaylyn Cooking. And remember to hit the like button, the notification bell, and the subscribe button so that you know when our shows are going to happen next. See you next week. Bye.